Hey guys, I am favouritepixels. How create glowing effect in Photoshop? Let's get started now. First of all,
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness.
con-
If you wanna play tough and
adjustment
wanna
layer,
hate this, I'll always show up and make
control
a
M,
statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate.
click
Every word I
OK,
move so descriptive
Control
like an
U,
adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented
select to
being negative when you should be getting after it.
black and white,
I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting
and
fast, I can
go
roast, I
to
can gas, think I'm okay
that,
at last, but I don't
click
know if
OK,
that can erase all the past and the
Control
pettiness.
Shift
A
E,
reflection of the emptiness,
Control
hilarious. You think you waste my
I,
time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know
copy
I'll
the
always be a
there,
bit superior. Get
Control
off of me, this ain't a
I,
humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back.
select
I want you
to
to feel free from the
color
chains of
dodge,
last and to believe in what
click
you got.
OK,
It was built to last, yeah.
go to filter,
Now that I've been put through hell, I never gotta
Gaussian
prove
blur,
myself. I had to do it all
click OK,
myself.
and select your
I don't ever slow
opacity,
up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up
click
and make a
OK,
statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the
click OK,
fakeness. If you wanna play
and
tough and wanna
change
hate
your
this, I'll always show
opacity,
up and make a statement.
click OK, go to opacity and uh, 85, 86, नहीं, full 100% and 95, click OK and complete the layer on the that go to blur again, Gaussian blur,
Every day to taste it, I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through,
click OK
never got any
and upper layer, Control M,
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no
click OK,
fakeness. If you wanna play
the
tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
go to
No I
a
don't take shit.
level,
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness.
click OK.
Hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious. Because
That
you hide behind
the
a fake
layer
exterior.
complete
You know
to
I'll always be a bit superior.
painting
Get off of
and
me, this ain't a
control
humble brag. I want
shift
you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains of last and to believe in what you got. It was built to last.
Control Shift E, complete the drawing, and thank you for watching me, and please thank you for supporting me anytime, and thank you for all time. Please subscribe on favorite pixel and go to other platform and Instagram, Facebook, and please subscribe on. And thank you for watching me, and thank you, love you guys, and